can't believe this. This is the first episode of Nature Strippers right here because we've just got a crucial moment of epicness. Motorbike. Bam. Found one. Over there. Gonna take it. Don't know if it rides, don't know if it doesn't. All I know is I got a motorbike. Oh shit. That's insane! Yakatori. Okay guys, let me teach you a little saying. Yakatori. Chicken skewers. Not to me. That's Yakatori, bro. The news just keeps getting better. I think that these people threw away their Kawasaki 250cc electric start dirt bike because it wasn't starting and they thought it's broken. I just took out the fuse and I don't know how good the camera on this is, but you should be able to see that.
Just hold it there. Yeah.
That is a broken fuse. I reckon I'm going to put the new fuse back in and this thing's going to work. We could go buy one from 7-Eleven right now, but I'm not leaving this here. I just found a dirt bike. You can stop now.
I don't want to. Jamie's actually lost his mind. He is walking with a dirt bike. What the fuck is he doing?
So this is my motorbike that I found in the trash. What do you do again? Turn it on.